Hey guys, here we are back again. Look what we picked up. Massey Ferguson 275. They said the famous words, ran when parked. So we get to it, and first off, he's got wasps all over, but not a bad looking tractor. Not bad. We put a starter in it, having some starter trouble, so we just threw a new starter in it, and we just started it up for the first time. And ran when parked. So tell us your thoughts, all you mechanics out there, people that know more than we do. Like I said, new starter. I did notice it's like it got a little bit of a leak on one of the injection lines back there. You can see it dripping right down here. But let's start it up and give me your thoughts. I'm thinking injector, but you guys tell me. Okay, so the throttle's all the way down. So now it starts pretty good. Starts good. Sounds all right. Not much coming out the exhaust. As we rev it up though, now we do have some belt noise, of course, but there you have it. We got white smoke. Anyway, I'm thinking injector, but maybe somebody more educated out there can let me know what they think. Sounds like it's just starving for fuel on one hole. Let's try it again. Hear that? Just like it's missing right there. You can hear that miss. Yeah, see that? Right there, boom, 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 boom. Another tractor with a miss. Sounding rough, blowing. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway. See if we can figure this one out. And hit the button and she starts up good again. That's the sound we're getting. So put in the comments below your thoughts on the 275 and how to fix it. Thanks guys.